that gave us that time. Because that lean improvements that we did. This is every day. I mean, it's not just we're just talking, we're living it. We used to weld this onto the blower housing.
Right.
And if it was welded wrong or something like that, that was trash. Now this is screwed. So if this is formed wrong, take the screws out, redo it. To be honest, that extra time we have at the end of the day, you're not as fatigued because at the end of the day, you sit down, he makes the little chart out he showed you over there. At the end of the day, nobody comes over and says, you should be working, you owe me extra hour left of the day, we're paying you for that. We sit down on that, nobody come over, we're paying you. None of that. Say, how about we try it this way? Does it work for you? Go for it. But we got the okay from the top to do it. We don't have to get permission from our bosses unless it's a big dollar amount or it's going to really affect production. But if it's something that you can do it. We use a $1 million machine to punch the hole bigger, and this is to go over the shaft over here.
Right. Okay.
You do like 100, 200 at a time.
And now you use a dollar piece of wood and a piece of metal.
Take this, put it in there, put this over here, and do it individually as we need it.
As you need it, just in time, right here.
As you need it.
This hinge had to be, it was spot welded onto the lid, but then this side of the hinge had to be welded, MIG welded onto the can itself. It was very easy to get this thing spot welded on there crooked. Then when you went to go close the lid wouldn't close properly. So Marvin, as he likes to call himself, was a pit bull on this and just kept on our engineers and on our supervisors to make this easier. So now everything is riveted together. This has to be turned one way for an up blast and the other way for a down blast. Well, if you accidentally spot welded those things wrong, you had to throw those lids away. Now, take the screws off, turn it around.
Total flexibility.
Absolutely.
I'm a welder by trade, so I got rid of welding, and they said that's normally unheard of. My guys said thought I was nuts. I said, God, you gonna get yourself out of a job getting out of welding? No, I looked at the overall deal, how that affects everybody. The guys over here, the guys down there, even our guys out in the field that install these. If they run into a problem, something's not formed right or whatever, instead of throwing away the whole deal, you throw away that piece that's wrong and put a new piece in.
So you weren't thinking about yourself, you were thinking about the team.
Everybody. It's a win-win situation all the way around.
So what do you think's more valuable for you as a worker, to be a welder or to be a lean problem solver?
A lean problem solver. Because once you eliminate the problems that bug you, and that's what we call things that bug you, like that did, it makes your life easier. Instead of, say it took you 20 minutes to do something, and you just eliminated 10 minutes off of it, that frees you up to do something else or train. I can do this job, I can do burner, I can do accessories, but you're versatile.
Did you notice he never talked about money? It makes your life better. Why am I so passionate about lean? Because it improves the quality of life for people.